50 waiting.
Hello everybody, good evening, welcome to the session and welcome to the India's most comprehensive preparation platform, the Byjus Exam Prep. And as I am able to see the comment box, yes, that the students are pretty much excited before the start of the session. So me and Chandan sir are going to discuss 25 most expected topics in this particular session. Chandan sir, over to you.
Yes, so everyone, welcome to the session. And as we know, already we have committed so many, you can say that around 3 or 4 days back, very soon we are going to take the one session in which we are going to guide you which topic is the most expected. One thing more guys, expected topic, most expected का मतलब है आपको ऐसा नहीं कि खाली यही पढ़ के जाना है. You have to revise everything. But this topic with the extra precaution you have to remember or you have to learn or you have to revise. That's what. So ऐसा मत सोचो कि खाली यही पढ़ के चले गए सर हो गया बस इतिहास रच देंगे. It's not like that, my dear friend. And share among all of your friends so that more and more people will join the session and get benefited, guys. Everyone.
Yes, guys. So yeah, as correctly said by sir, we keep on telling you that everything is important for GATE, no doubt. Syllabus coverage should be the maximum, but there are some topics which you should at any cost should not miss before going to the exam hall, and those special 25 topics we are going to discuss. No, topics, Sayan. Questions you have to practice. So this is not a question practice session. This is, you can say, an informative session where we will tell you that these are the topics. If you are strong into that, well and good, balle balle, enjoy kar lena. But suppose out of 25, if you feel that 2 or 3 topics also, 2 topics are there which you are not comfortable, you have left. Do not miss it. Even the last 4-5 days, try to get at least some knowledge of that topic. We can't afford to miss that. But I think near about only 80 people joined right now. What is this, guys? What is this? Come on, share it up, everybody. Yes.
Bilkul.
So, begin karte, sir.
Bilkul, sir. One, that is the guys session is going to be conducted by your favorite Ashutosh Saxena, sir. The GATE 2022, the exam day checklist and the guidelines. What should be the IIT MT, or we can say that the MTech guideline for that? और आपको कैसे prepare होके जाना है, क्या-क्या guideline को follow करना है. So everything regarding to the checkpoint, you can say that the Ashutosh sir is basically going to take care of. That is the tomorrow. And sir, what should be the timing of this particular session?
Yeah, that is what I've written, guys. It is tomorrow at 8 p.m. And still we know many students are confused that what they have to carry, what will exam center give them, and what you have to carry. Okay, so what is the checklist into going for a GATE exam hall, and what are the guidelines? What is the guidelines that you must follow? So all these are, I've been telling you since so many days, other than the technical content, we are also trying to provide you psychological content that will, give you a confidence. Yes, you know everything. कोई doubt में नहीं, कोई dilemma में नहीं. जाना है तो confidence के साथ जाना है. So you should know everything before going to the exam hall. So once again, okay, जैसे आज verbal का एक बहुत बेहतरीन session लिया था आशुतोष सर ने, and I think many of you attended also. So Ashutosh sir, your favorite, again going to come live tomorrow. That is tomorrow only, 1st of Feb, Tuesday, 8 p.m. Join live. And guys, all of you, are going to appear for the GATE examination. And since you are going to appear for the GATE examination, after the exam, you may be very much interested in how the overall exam was and what was the correct answer. It's a very curiosity as soon as you come out of the exam hall and as soon as you come out. So that is how, as soon as you come out, as soon as possible, the BYJU'S Exam Prep, like the last year, we are going to come up. The entire team is going to come up. Okay, me, Chandan sir, Sanjay sir, we are very soon traveling. We have our bookings and all. बहुत जल्दी हम लोग दिल्ली में पहुंचने वाले हैं साथ में. And we are going to present you the GATE 2022 live exam analysis with the answer keys, expected cutoff, the expectation for PSQs and everything we are going to speak in this session. तो चंदन सर कैसे timings हैं और क्या plan किया गया है इसके बारे में?
Bilkul. So guys, there will be the 2 things you will get. The first one, that is called how will be the paper, right? Paper ka difficulty level kya hai, cut off kya ho sakta hai, right? Everything. And just after that, we are going to take the questions, and just after the question, we are going to analyze that, basically the question. That will happen with every year, guys. Every year we are basically doing the session for this, right? और most authenticate जो session है वो आपको यहाँ पर मिलने वाला है, और ये होने वाला है CHC के लिए. अगर आप देखेंगे तो 12:30 5th of Feb 12:30. Your exam is going to be on at 12 o'clock, and we are coming live at 12:30 p.m. guys, right? Just and after that, for the EC, computer science engineering, right? The second one is, guys, for the EC students. Rakesh sir, EC ka?
Yes, so EC second day है 6th of February Sunday. EC examination is on the morning slot, the forenoon slot 9 to 12, and immediately after that 12:30, the entire team, me, Sanjay sir, Chandan sir, and all others will be coming live to give you the exact analysis of the paper. So stay tuned on the BYJU'S Exam Prep, same channel where you are watching this session. Do not forget to subscribe agar subscribe nahi kiya hai, because everything, okay, before the exam, on the exam day, and after the exam days. There is so many things for you after the exam also. Wait, we will tell you that also. Okay, so 5th February, 12:30 p.m. And coming to the electrical part, electrical is again on Saturday, 5th Feb. That is the afternoon slot. The exam gets over by 5:30 and we are coming live at 6 p.m. Yes, for double E also. And it will also be for mechanical civil, but for next weekend hai. So CS, definitely. Electronics, electrical, everything is there. Okay, electrical 5th February, 6 p.m. For all branches, we are presenting the live exam analysis with all our experts. So in double E, you can feel that me, Chandan sir, Sanjay sir will be there. But then again, Ashutosh Saxena sir, Ashu Jhangra sir will also be joining us for the electrical exam analysis. Right?
बिल्कुल सर, क्विकली स्टार्ट कर देते हैं सर, क्योंकि लास्ट मोमेंट पे टाइम बहुत क्रूशियल है, तो बच्चों को फटाफट टॉपिक बताते हैं और जो उनको पढ़ने के लिए टाइम ज्यादा देते हैं, राइट?
Yeah guys, so we'll make this session a relatively very small session. We are just here to brief the topics one by one. Total 25, approximately 25. So me and Chandan sir were discussing and struggling to complete in 25. So 25 to me, I think sir 26, 27 topics we could finalize. Okay, yes. but 25 is ultimately 25, does not matter. एक दो topic ज़्यादा पढ़ने से कोई दिक्कत नहीं होगा. But yeah, we were into this think, we'll give you every topic which is most crucial, not missing anything. So Chandan sir, for digital.
Yes, sir. So guys, for the digital electronics, if you want to discuss, then multiplexer, already the last year question related to the delay they asked. In this year also, regarding to the delay or regarding to the designing or regarding to the, you can say that what should be the input for this multiplexer, what should be the output, minimized expression, semi-minimized expression. So overall, we can say that the one question we can expect either from the multiplexer or adder. In the adder, you can feel mainly regarding to the ripple carry adder, right? And mainly in the ripple carry adder related to the delay. Ripple carry adder. So guys, always try to understand in the digital electronics, always the delay. One question definitely we can expect regarding to the delay, whether regarding to this or regarding to the setup time. Already I have taken the one session regarding to the setup and hold time, right? Setup and hold time, contamination, delay, everything already we have taken the session. Last year also I have given the idea that this topic is very, very important. But unfortunately, आप कह सकते हो कि ये टॉपिक से क्वेश्चन नहीं आए थे. But in this year, definitely we can expect the one question definitely from this particular topic also. Apart from this, the counter every year in the last year also, last year also one question asked, and in this year also one question definitely we can expect from the counters, right? And guys, there will be the two things, ADC and DAC. For the exam point of view, if you want to discuss now, then DAC is more preferable or more important, you can say that most important as compared to ADC. These are the most important topic where we can expect the question. फिर से बता दूं, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि खाली यही पढ़ के जाना है. हाँ, अगर इस टॉपिक को आपने अभी तक नहीं देखा तो इस टॉपिक को तो देख के जाना ही है. Apart from this, you have to revise the entire digital electronics, guys, right?
Exactly. So like in DAC, somebody will be feeling that DAC and ADC are both important. Yes, both important. But we are today talking about most expected topic. So according to our analysis, most expected mein DAC has an edge over the ADC. So these three are from digital. If I move on towards the control system, okay, so we can expect one question from the Routh-Hurwitz and steady state error part very easily. This is very commonly asked, one of them then, and this is very easy also. This is like a scoring portion that can come in the examination.
So Routh-Hurwitz is also important, guys, because this topic is basically related with every topic, you can say that.
Every topic, stability. Yeah, it's stability related with everywhere. And steady state error is pretty simple, but IIT keeps on asking every alternate year, probably steady state error questions are seen. Okay, and commonly based on KP, KV, and KA, commonly, right?
Then the logic family is not in GATE syllabus. The logic family is only into the ESE syllabus. Only there will be the implementation is there. Once in a while, they're asking the question regarding to the CMOS implementation also, or ho sakta hai wo once in a while GATE 2022
Yes. Then if I go to you will be feeling that this is a very big, this is like a chapter. Okay. But why I'm putting Nyquist plot and Bode plot both? Because one question is sure from them. Okay. And it depends year to year. Let's say GATE 21 in electronics, they ask the Nyquist plot. So maybe this year they will test the Bode plot, or they can fix with the Nyquist also. Electrical mein GATE 21, they ask the Bode plot. Maybe this time they can discuss the Nyquist plot. Okay. So they can switch. But one question out of these two is pretty much sure.
100%.
Yeah. And then for electronics, 1% from steady state. State space analysis. One question from state space. At least for electronics, this is 100%. Electrical, this is again most expected. Electrical also have a 80-90% chance, but this is 100% for electronics at least. State space analysis. Aana hi hai, matlab every year aana hai. There is no skipping of that. Important for electrical also, but electronics mein sure hai. There's like sure that is going to come. So you should not miss this. If something is coming up surely, so see Samarth, Shiva Sumarth, root locus can come, important, but not sure. We are talking about some topics which is having very high probability, either 100 or not 100, at least more than 90. चंदन सर हमने वो टॉपिक्स तो रखे ही है जो 90% प्रोबेबिलिटी के साथ होते हैं.
Karan, one thing more, computer organization, one question we can expect, but that is the entire subject you can feel. तो हम subject नहीं बता रहे कि ऐसे में कंट्रोल लिख दो 8 नंबर आएगा. It's we are expecting the topic, so it's very difficult to find out कि from where we can expect the question into the computer organization. But generally related to machine instruction, you have to remember addressing mode. From there we can expect the question into the computer organization. One question we can expect either from the 1 marks or 2 marks.
And guys, a very simple logic I will say. Many of you are asking the some of the topics in the comment box. I know we also know the complete syllabus of GATE, and we are not discussing syllabus. So if something is not written here, that means of course it is important, but that is not the that is not of the top 25 topics I can say for the GATE, right? Then sir, signal and systems.
So guys, for the signal and system, the basic of the system, it means you can say that the classification of system, linearity, time invariant, causal, non-causal, right? Anti-causal, invertible, non-invertible, static, dynamic, memory, without memory, like this type of question we can expect the basics of the systems. Apart from this, the one regarding to the Fourier transform, every year they are asking the question. Even though if you ask, sir, which topic is important to the Fourier transform, na? So mainly related to ESD, energy spectral density, duality, area property. These are the topic which is very famous, we can say that, or energy. ESD अगर लिख दिया तो energy automatic आ गया. These are the important topics from where they can ask the questions regarding to the Fourier transform, guys. And one question definitely from the jet transform we can expect. Now maybe people will ask, अब सर बच्चों के मन में ये भी आ सकता है, सर convolution. यार देखो, हमें भी पूरा सिलेबस पता है यार, बस क्लास सिस्टम बस सिग्नल बच गया है, राइट? फॉर कंटिन्यूअस टाइम Fourier ट्रांसफॉर्म लिख सकते थे, जेट लाप्लास ट्रांसफॉर्म लिख सकते थे, पूरा टॉपिक खत्म हो गया. बट नो, दिस इज अ टॉपिक which is very, very important. From 100% sure we can expect the question, right? And with this, even you can feel in the GATE total there are 65 questions, right? They will ask the 65 question, and we are discussing about the most 25 topic. हमारे सारे topics एक एक question भी आ जाएगा तब भी 25 question बनते हैं. So right. You have to understand, right?
And sir, with this, the legendary faculty Sanjay Rathi sir is live with us in the comment box. Yes, so that fire triangle is now complete. We are live and Sanjay sir is live into the chat box, and the fire triangle is very soon coming live in the GATE analysis. We are all traveling to Delhi, as I told you guys. So Sanjay Rathi sir, let's have a warm welcome. एकदम धमाकेदार blast हो जाना चाहिए, एकदम वैसा.
आप लोग तो EC और इलेक्ट्रिकल के यार, संजय सर ने कितनी जबरदस्त तरीके से सेशन, EDC, एनालॉग, नेटवर्क, संजय सर रेगुलरली they have taken the so many session for you guys. So एक दिल तो बनता है, और दिल का मतलब बिल्कुल also.
And other than the technical also, those who were live evening only, Sanjay sir took the very nice session on the scribble pad. Okay, those who are not aware about scribble pad, ki how to use and how many sheets and how you should actually utilize the scribble pad in the GATE 3 hours, everything is explained detailed by the Sanjay Rathi sir. If you have not watched the session, you can watch it up today, only 7 PM it has happened, right? It is in the same channel. Okay, network की बात करें guys, so there are 3 topics in network. Okay, because Sanjay sir भी live है तो Sanjay sir भी मतलब इसमें input देंगे, because Sanjay sir is a very master class of network, I can say. So these 3 topics आंख बंद करके जाने चाहिए. You should not miss at any cost. 2-port network, transient and theorem. Now theorems are lots of theorem, but Thevenin, Norton, maximum power and superposition, right? So I think not only any 2, but all 3 are like 100%. What say Chandan sir? All 3 are almost 100%
more, guys. Even if you do not have any idea about the theorems now, then also by the help of the KVL and KCL you are able to solve the question. But if you know the theorems, then very quickly you are able to solve the question. And that's why the theorem, you should always aware about the theorems, and you should know how to utilize on the theorems, especially for the maximum power transfer theorem, superposition, Norton and Thevenin.
Bilkul. So guys, these are 3 topics not at all to be missed from the network theory. Chandan sir, analog.
Analog में guys, diode, basics of the diode, we can say that, right? And the one question we can expect from the Zener diode को थोड़ा specially highlight किया गया है. So we can say that the diodes and the based on the Zener diode also you have to remember one operational amplifier, op-amp, and mainly for the EC student if you want to discuss now, then op-amp you have to remember into the filtering characteristic. Filter से regarding जितने भी op-amp बनाते हो ना, for those particular area you have to be very very focused, right? And just after that guys, in the MOSFET is also very very important for the EC student. और कुछ संजय सर अपना इनपुट देना तो और दे सकते हैं, हालांकि ये संजय सर ने मुझे बताया था, right?
Yes. Yes, guys. So all of these topics which have been taken, so we have consulted the expert of them, like analog, EDC, whatever we are speaking, it is input taken from the Sanjay Rathi sir, right? And for network also. So we have taken, when we go for electrical topics, we have taken the input from Ashutosh sir, Ashu sir. So, you know, it's a combined team effort that we have put into this session. If we go to EMFT, so there are lots of chapter, but 3 topics from which the question, in dono se to 100% bol dunga main. Right, these are having the 100% chance each. 100% chance antenna, 100% chance waveguide. Okay, now
yes.
waveguide mein this year I predict circular waveguide. Okay, because it is a new topic introduced last year. Last year didn't ask. Okay, circular waveguide. This is having the high probability. Rectangular waveguide actually क्या है ना, IIT का बहुत favorite topic बना हुआ है. Right. So still I will put 70-30% chance, but 70% I am inclined towards circular waveguide. The 100% waveguide question is coming. There is no doubt in that. There is no doubt in that. And because it is the first time, some formula based question of circular waveguide we can expect. Antenna से कुछ भी पूछ सकते हैं, आपको पता ही है. Okay. So it is itself, a chapter to not to be missed at any cost. Okay.
Transmission line की sir कैरेक्टरिस्टिक इंपीडेंस हो गया, ट्रांसमिशन लाइन से आपके पास जेड डॉट कैलकुलेट करना, VSW स्टैंडिंग वेव रेशियो, लाइक दैट
रिफ्लेक्शन पैरामीटर्स. 3 चीजें इसमें इंपॉर्टेंट है. रिफ्लेक्शन पैरामीटर्स, देखिए, नंबर 1 इनपुट इंपीडेंस, नंबर 2 एंड देन इंपीडेंस ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, दैट इज इंपीडेंस मैचिंग. बेसिकली इंपीडेंस मैचिंग इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Impedance matching is important. Moving ahead to the next, so this is what
sir Nitesh is asking for the electrical. This is for the electronics. So which one is important? Electrical.
This is exclusively for electronics. We will keep mentioning. अभी तक का तो सारा common था analog. Now we will mention branch wise also. We will mention branch wise also. See Bharat, हर साल नहीं आता. There is a chance. Okay, but not every year. Wave propagation तो अब हर साल नहीं आता बिल्कुल सुमन. Wave propagation we can neglect. आने को आता है, ठीक है. Maybe once in 2 years, sometime once in 3 years. But again, understand we are talking about most expected topics. Okay, sir. Moving ahead to the next.
Bilkul.
EDC, sir.
EDC. So, guys, in the EDC, you can feel the semiconductor physics regarding to the Fermi level. You can feel the Fermi level. It's a very important, right? Fermi level questions regarding to mobility, right? Career and whole generation rate, recombination rate, like that. We can feel the question. One question based on the diode, guys, clipper and clamper. Very straightforward question we can expect. One, the BJT, in the BJT, the DC analysis, and some theoretical idea about the BJT. Theory means conceptual, right? Conceptual. And in the MOS also, guys, conceptual as well as the basic part. And basic we can expect, right? In the EDC, up to this portion, and one thing more, एक और सब्जेक्ट की बात कर लेते हैं. So guys, you can take the snapshot. हाँ भारत, entire syllabus of EDC is important. देखो important तो सब है यार. देखो जो serious preparation करे तो उनके लिए सब है. But again, I want to tell you, actually we are what we have suggested कि this is the most expected topic. यानी if you want to make the layer ना, then this topic, the 25 topic will be in the सबसे, you can say that in the most outer layer, आप कह सकते हो, जो सबसे important चीज है, right?
Sir, students are also asking about electrical EMFT. Guys, let me tell you very simply why we have not written the electrical EMFT syllabus here separately. Listen to me, all electrical students. What is the weightage for EMFT in electrical is somewhere around 3 to 4 marks, maximum 5 marks, average 3 to 4 marks, very small weightage. Maximum to maximum 5 marks, worst case man 3-4 marks it is okay. Now it is important, but what is the topic we are telling you right now कि अगर नहीं पढ़ा है तो एग्जाम में जाने के पहले पढ़ना है. But suppose somebody has studied EMFT once, sufficient. Electrical sufficient, easy होता है बहुत. somebody suppose not studied EMFT electrical, then we will not suggest कि last 4 days you have to study, leave, then you can't do anything. नहीं पढ़ा EMFT अगर electrical ने, भले छोटा subject हो, but in 4 days you can't do anything, because I will tell you simply, they can ask the question. Still, if you want to listen orally. One topic for electrical is potential, electric potential based question, right? Number 2 topic is कैपेसिटर पे चले जाइए, इलेक्ट्रिकल के लिए वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इफ आई वांट टू डिस्कस इज द क्वेश्चन बेस्ड ऑन बायोट-सावर्ट लॉ, स्पेशली द करंट द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड ड्यू टू थिन कंडक्टर, इनफाइनाइट थिन कंडक्टर. तीसरा ये हो गया. चौथा हो गया इंडक्टर्स, म्यूचुअल इंडक्टेंस स्पेशली. दीज आर 4 मोर मेजर एरियाज, बट इसके लिए आपको पढ़ना सब कुछ पड़ेगा. Right, for potential you have to first study field theory, then talk about potential. Various things are there. Okay, so these are the 4. अगर किसी ने EMFT पढ़ा है और रिवाइज कर रहे हो, note down these 4 things separately: electric potential, capacitor, inductor and mutual inductor concept, and Biot-Savart law वाला concept. That's it. Chandan sir, over to you for communication.
बिल्कुल. So guys, for the communication, definitely we can expect the one question from the FM and PM, right? FM and PM. Note for the modulation and demodulation. FM and PM. Maximum phase deviation, maximum frequency deviation, frequency multiplier, how, right? Like that type of question we can expect. देखो फिर से मुझे टॉपिक लिखना था, so we have not mentioned here the chapter की baseband modulation, band pass modulation, information theory खत्म हो गया subject. It's not like that. In the baseband modulation, the most you can say that the important topic is PCM, pulse code modulation. Already I had taken so many sessions on the PCM, guys. The one question definitely we can expect the PCM. M array. In the M array, ASK, PSK, FSK is there, but the most important topic is M array, PSK, phase shift keying. And in the information theory, the channel and coding, guys, the coding technique. Because the coding technique recently, you can say that this topic is very, very important in the coding technique. So somehow you can say that in the coding also you can feel error correction or error detection. एक error detection, right? Error correction and error detection. Apart from this, one thing more I want to share. Random variable I have not mentioned, because the random variable you are going to cover into the mathematics also. So that's why I have not mentioned the random variable. But random process is important. And why random process is important? To understand what? Which type of noise is basically there. So to understand the noise, we required what? Random process. और एक क्वेश्चन जो हर साल बनता है, जो इस साल भी बनने के चांसेस है, that is related to probability of error. Probability of error. And probability of error you are able to understand only when you know the what? Random process. Then only you are able to understand the random process. So these are the very, very important topic for guys in the communication system, where we can directly expect the question. Amplitude modulation, very simple. And if they will ask the question regarding to the amplitude modulation, without revising, you guys are going to solve this question. आप उसको solve कर सकते हैं. And this is for the EC, not for the E. This is only in the EC, right? E के अंदर तो है ही नहीं यार.
आएंगे. So if we move on towards the double E core also, one by one we will keep telling about the double E core also. So when we talk about, I think यहाँ पे, guys, this is electrical machine. There's a typo error, don't mind it. This is basically electrical machines. इसको अलग से लिख देते हैं यहाँ पे. Right. Okay. So it's quite understood, guys. Nothing to worry about this. So this is the what we say electrical machine. Transformer. See, there are 4 broad topics of the electrical machines, and this is as per the discussions that Chandan sir and me had with the Ashutosh sir and Ashu Dhangra sir. Accordingly, we are briefing the important topics for electrical students. ट्रांसफॉर्मर की बात करें तो एफिशिएंसी एंड लॉसेस, ऑटो ट्रांसफॉर्मर एंड 3-phase ट्रांसफॉर्मर कनेक्शन, दीज आर द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स. डीसी से अगर बात करेंगे, आउट ऑफ द डीसी मशीन्स, इट इज द डीसी स्पीड कंट्रोल ऑफ द डीसी मोटर, मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक, नॉट टू बी मिस्ड. राइट. सिंक्रोनस मशीन में से वी कर्व्स ऑफ द सिंक्रोनस मशीन्स बीइंग द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट, एंड इंडक्शन मशीन में से द स्टार्टिंग ऑफ इंडक्शन मशीन. दीज आर द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स फॉर द machines we can say. Right. Yes. If we have to go to the power electronics, Chandan sir.
बिल्कुल यार, देखो भारत सीओ का अगर जहां तक बात हुई तो एक सेशन में प्लान कर सकता हूं. If you guys are basically interested, then I can make the one session plan in the form of the marathon to cover the CO topic, right? I will let you know, don't worry. So in the power electronics, guys, DC-DC converter is the most important topic, as discussed with the Ashu Dhangra sir. DC-DC converter. Second one is called 3-phase voltage source inverter. And the third one is called effect of source induction. effect of source induction. These are the very, very important topic, these three topics. Again, I'm repeating: DC-DC converter, three-phase voltage source inverter, and effect of source inductance. This is a very, very important, guys, right? यार हजीफा, अगर देखो सारे कंसेप्ट नहीं पढ़े हैं तो मैं आपको सजेस्ट नहीं करूंगा कि आप कोई नया टॉपिक अभी अगर छूट गया है तो अगर छोटा टॉपिक है यू कैन कवर, नॉट इंपॉर्टेंट. अगर कोई कुछ बड़ा ही सब्जेक्ट ही पूरा छूट गया है तो ओनली फॉर द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक यू हैव टू रिमेंबर. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस डू नॉट ट्राई टू टच द एनी न्यू टॉपिक, राइट? इन द पावर सिस्टम, गाइस, सर राकेश सर, पावर सिस्टम.
Yes. So if we need to talk about, again, this is double E core and power system is number one important topic. This is especially as per discussion with Ashutosh Saxena sir. The fault analysis, then the stability of power systems, and then economic load dispatch. These are the three most important topics where you have almost 100 or 99% surety of getting the
this
question.
Topic, recently added topic, guys. This is the recently added topic. So last year भी एक question आया था. In this year also we can expect this particular topic.
Yes, definitely. These are three most not to be missed topic from the electrical power systems. The last is measurements, and then sir, over to you.
In the measurement, guys, watt meter method, Lissajous pattern, and if you want to discuss the one more, now I want to share one watt meter method, Lissajous pattern, CRO pattern जो बनता है. Apart from this, range extension, right? Range of ये volt meter और ammeter का जो आप निकालते हो, volt meter and ammeter. These are the topic where we can expect the question into the electrical. So क्या कहते हैं राकेश सर? Quickly we have covered the entire topic और मुझे नहीं लगता कि अब सेशन को थोड़ा खींचना भी चाहिए. तो क्योंकि टॉपिक हमने बता दिया बच्चों को, सर नाउ अब बच्चों के हाथ में पूरी बॉल है और उनको अब खेला है कि किस तरीके से इस टॉपिक को यूटिलाइज करना है, रिवाइज करना है. बट द फ्यू सजेशन वी वांट टू शेयर, गाइस. द सजेशन इज, if any subject is basically skipped, अब आपके पास इतना टाइम नहीं है कि सब्जेक्ट को पूरा रिवाइज करो. एक आध फॉर्मूला कंसेप्ट देख लो तो ठीक है, अदरवाइज वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू. सो अभी तक आपने जितना पढ़ा है उसको रिवाइज करिए, एंड वॉट एवर द टॉपिक वी हैव डिस्कस्ड, मेनली फोकस ऑन दोस पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक. उसको तो रिवाइज एंटायर थिंग्स, बट little bit the more conscious you should be, a very, very conscious regarding to this particular topic.
Yes. So guys, that is what 25 most expected topics. It is maybe one or two more than 25, I can say, because जितना summarize कर सकते थे उतना summarize किया है. But yeah, these are the topics, whether 25, 27 जितने भी हमने बोले हैं, that you have the list. Please do not miss them.
And guys, tomorrow there will be the one announcement for you. Tomorrow at 11 o'clock, there will be the mega mock test also, guys, for you, for the electrical student, I think.
I think Sanjay sir has just shared the link. Yes, guys, very important. Sanjay sir has just shared the link. All electrical students, tomorrow 11 a.m. we are having the full mock live on the YouTube, in which all the subjects will be covered with the 65 question pattern. Okay, with the proper division like gate follows. Okay, so in the 65 question pattern, okay, some questions to be taken by Chandan sir, some by me, some by Ashutosh sir, and etc. The entire team effort, it is there, right? So all electrical students, do not miss that session tomorrow at 11 a.m. mock test. And then similarly for electronics, okay, that is day after tomorrow. So full length mock, okay, that is full mock test in the live manner on the YouTube. 11 a.m. is for electrical engineering, and that is on what, Tuesday, tomorrow. ये कल ही है. And then immediately Wednesday 11 a.m. that is for the electronics and communication engineering, again in the 65 question manner, right? So that is for both the branches. Tomorrow for EC, tomorrow for electrical, and day after tomorrow for the EC. Everything, yes, including maths and aptitude and technical, everything will be there, right? Everything will be there.
And today's session, guys, we have not taken the maths and aptitude important topic because Rakesh sir already taken the session.
That is already, guys, I have taken already separate session for maths and aptitude, and today it was the most expected technical topics. Okay. And guys, one more update, as Chandan sir told in the beginning also, that tomorrow at the 8 p.m. Ashutosh sir is having another important session, what you should take in the GATE exam hall, what is the checklist to go into the GATE exam hall, and what is the current guidelines of the GATE 22 examination before you go into the exam hall. So that link also I am sharing. That is just shared by me in the comment box. You can just open the link and set the reminder and do like the session to attend the tomorrow 8 p.m. session. Okay, guys. So then I think we'll see you tomorrow only. Yes. Okay. Tomorrow we all will. Chandan sir will also be there. Me will be there. Turn by turn we'll keep joining, and discuss the questions with you. 65 question pattern hoga. Full 65 questions will be covered live on the YouTube. Okay, so stay tuned.
So guys, thank you very much. And people who haven't liked the session, like kar dena beta. Right. So thank you guys. Thank you very much. All the very best. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you.
Bye bye. Stay safe. Good night, guys.